Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2023. Question number 5A is for steam generator explain the concept of circulation ratio. Also mention the range in which circulation ratio may vary. So first of all, defining circulation ratio. If the pressure of steam exceeds 180 bar, the density difference rho F minus rho G becomes so small that natural circulation cannot be relied upon. Then the forced circulation is used where a pump circulates saturated water through all riser around the furnace wall. So this is your forced circulation system, and this is your downcomer, this is saturated water, this is furnace wall, and this is heat supply to it, and this is riser and steam water mixture heat, and this is convisor, this is salt water, and this is to battery. So now circulation ratio is defined with respect to force circulation when pump is there. So this is your pump. So the definition of circulation ratio is the term called there is a term called circulation ratio used in this connection. It is defined as circulation ratio is equal to flow rate of saturated water in downcomer here divided by flow rate of steam released from drum. Okay. Steam released from drum. So it refers to amount of saturated water to be circulated through downcomer riser circuit per kg of steam released from the drum. Therefore, circulation ratio is m by mg, where m is mass of saturated water flowing through a downcomer riser circuit during a certain time, and mg is mass of steam released from drum during the same time. And ml m can be written as mg plus ml. So ml is m minus mg, mass of liquid water at the riser end. So this can further solved. We can take mg plus ml here, mg divided by mg plus ml, or we can write it as pdf. So that is your probe dryness fraction. Okay. So this is your circulation ratio, and the range in which it is used is given in this paragraph. The circulation ratio in a natural circulation boiler varies from one riser tube to another. The riser tube located opposite to the burner have more thermal loading and generate more steam. So these will have less circulation ratio. While the riser located in the corner of the furnace are relatively cooler, and so these will have more circulation ratio. However, the circulation ratio in any tube should not be less than 6. That is, at least 6 kg of saturated water must circulate in the downcomer riser circuit for each kg of steam released. Otherwise, the tube will get overheated and fail prematurely. The circulation ratio should again not be higher than 25 for effective utilization of tube in steam release. So I have taken it from power plant engineering PKNR book. So you can refer for further query that.